What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 Show, Christmas Day. Live location.
Hello?
Oh, what's up, bro? Merry Christmas, bro.
You too, bro.
Alright, should I say Merry to yous? Oops, shit. Let me shut up. Happy to you. Still skipping. What the hell? Never mind that shit. What's up, bro?
No, what's good, bro?
Alright. Oh yeah, it's Christmas. I'm doing my show, bro.
Yeah?
Doing my Christmas show, and I think I'm gonna do a special song, you know, Spirit of the Season.
Where you at?
I'm at my house. I'm recording.
Oh.
All right, so your family over there?
Yep.
Oh, who?
A few people over there.
Oh, a few people. I can come over there.
I'm about to go and see, man.
Oh well, shit. Oh, Bourbon Street.
Yeah?
Bourbon Street.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so all right then. I'll talk to you later, bro.
Alright.
All right. What's up, y'all? All right, I'm back. Forgive when I say Merry to yous, Happy to yous, or whatever shit. What the hell am I saying? Okay, never mind that shit. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna do a presentation right now. Okay. So anyway, we gonna listen to Spirit of the Season. Okay. All right, it's gonna be two versions of it. The one version and another version. Okay, Spirit of the Season, celebration and oaks and stuff like that. What the hell? Okay, all right, check it out.